The 1976 Mercedes Benz 450 SE is absolutely beautiful. It has been wonderfully kept by a local owner. He had a machine shop right down the street from my office, and he took wonderful care of it. His kids said that this car was the favorite child, and it shows. It is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. He spent scads of money keeping it up, and it looks almost like a new one. It is absolutely gorgeous, and here it is now. Okay, we're gonna start the 76 450 SE Benz. Fires right up. I like that fuel injection system. It's really nice. Runs cool, great oil pressure, gas gauge works, and the tachometer works. The radio, let's see, source.
Offer and puts the client.
Yep, radio works. Heater works. The AC is not cold right now. And let's see, turn signals, and the horn. And let's see, where is the wipers? Where are the wipers? They're there. There we go. Two wiper deal. Okay. Excellent. We now select drive and go on our way. This car is really smooth, really quiet. It feels like driving a new car. It's not a new car, but boy, this really gives that new car feel. Picks up. We got, love it. This car, big car, but it's fast. It gets up and moves. Okay, let's stop the car, and it stops nice and straight. No hand on the steering wheel. I like it. And railroad tracks. Just ignores the railroad tracks. Let's look at the interior of this Mercedes Benz. It is spectacularly nice. Wow. It's just unbelievably good. All that nice door jambs, and it's just pretty in here. We've got all this MB text, and there is the only flaw I can see. There's a little crack in the dash pad, and that is it. Wow. Moving on to the back seat, look at it, man. Got the little webby things to hold your stuff, and fold down seat rest. And back here we have the first aid kit. All right, and beautiful headliner, headrest, courtesy light. It's just great. All right, let's Let's open up the trunk, see what's in there. There's a big warning triangle in case you're at the side of the road. And the factory toolkit, original rubber mats, very nice. It looks really great in here. Wow, I like it. Look at this engine bay, 4.5 liter V8. Look how clean that thing is. Rebuilt in '91 with what we think is about 16,000 miles since then. Really beautifully done, clean, nicely maintained, wonderful car. These are Maxi Light boomed reproduction wheels, and they're brand new, beautiful condition, and the tires are 15-inch Toyos from 2024. So, recent tires. Wow. Spectacular.